Comets, meteors, meteorites, and asteroids. Comet. A comet is a collection of large number of rocky and metallic particles coated with frozen ice of water, carbon dioxide, ammonia, and methane. Comets revolve around the Sun like planets. The orbits of comets are very large and very eccentric. The narrow head of the comet is composed of billions of small bits of rocks and dust particles. It shines brightly by the reflection of sunlight. As the comet approaches the Sun, the ice crystals vaporize to form the tail that points away from the Sun and extends millions of miles in space. The tail always points away from the Sun as the Sun's rays repel the gases. As the comet moves away from the Sun, the gases condense and freeze again, and the tail disappears. The period of revolution of a comet around the Sun is very large. For example, the period of revolution of the most famous comet, Halley's Comet, is 76 years. It was last seen in 1986. Meteors and meteorites. Meteors are the celestial bodies in the sky that we see as a bright streak of light that flashes for a moment across the night sky. Meteors are also called shooting stars. Each time a comet passes the Sun, it loses some of the gases, and ultimately only dust particles and stony or metallic rocks are left behind. When these particles enter the Earth's atmosphere, they burn as a result of the heat produced by friction and become visible as a bright streak of light shooting down the night sky. Most of the meteors are smaller than a grain of sand and burn completely on entering Earth's atmosphere. But a few of them are big and do not burn completely. These meteors that do not burn completely on entering the Earth's atmosphere and land on the surface of the Earth as a rock are called meteorites. Asteroids. Asteroids are huge lumps of rocks orbiting around the Sun, mainly between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are too small and too far from the Earth to be seen with the naked eye. Through telescopes, they look like faint stars and hence are called asteroids. It is believed that there was a planet between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. This planet broke into fragments as a result of the powerful gravitational force exerted by Jupiter. But the fragments continued to revolve around the Sun in their respective orbits, forming asteroids. Ceres is the largest asteroid known. According to another theory, the asteroids were formed at the same time as the rest of the planets. But these smaller bodies somehow failed to assemble into a planet.